So today we'll see what we saw yesterday. Adani Enterprises. So it went up and came down. So more or less in bearish side. But still, if we see in day chart, so it has given a doji like pattern. So possible sign of reversal is there, or else it might continue. So we can wait. That is, I will wait. So I didn't exit the position, and all the others were in positive. Tata Steel and NMDC okay, and SAIL did a huge move today. So yeah, it went up to 98. So it has broken its previous candle and day before candle also. So it's a nice move. It might go up continuously. So Fortis is a negative thing, I guess. So it is going on. I'm not holding it, so I might not have it in my list. So Tata Steel, I don't know. Okay, yeah, but pressure is low here, so in waiting list only. And NMDC, okay, this is good. So SAIL I would concentrate. So SAIL is in holding only for me. So it is in profit, and Adani Enterprise I would wait. So we'll see. Laurus Lab is also. So I didn't enter this Laurus Lab. So it has given a red candle. So yesterday it was in profit. Day before yesterday I bought it, I guess. So yesterday it was in profit only. Today it went down. So let's see tomorrow, or else I would exit. So tomorrow's bulls and bears would be, we'll see. First 20-week breakout. The main logic behind this, what I follow is, like, it has been trending for few days, but it has also crossed its 20-week high. So definitely there's a good news behind it, or good like bullish prediction there. So that's the main thing I follow. Adani Ports, Hindalco, NMDC is there, okay. Adani Pay, Laurus Lab is also there, but I'm not sure. Adani Ports, Hindalco. So Hindalco we'll see. I prefer this mobile thing because it is very quick and easy, convenient for me. So okay, Hindalco has given huge volume, but we'll see in a long term. Long term, okay, it is okay. Oh, it is in uptrend only. Okay, no, so we'll see. We'll wait and see what happens tomorrow. If it breaks out, I would enter, I guess. So Hindalco is definitely in the list if the market is in bull tomorrow. Okay, this is for bullish side, and for bear I would so sort it out by volume first. City Union Bank, PVR, okay, the same list, I guess. Yeah, but today City Union and PVR is in green. So let's see, then we'll move on to Hero MotoCorp. Okay, Hero MotoCorp, and we can also sort it by change percent. I don't know what are these stocks. I don't know. I'm not familiar with these stocks. Hero MotoCorp I can enter, I guess. If it is in bearish side, we can do something about it. So bears, PVR. So see, this will delete it. Then what we saw, Hero MotoCorp. Okay. Okay, so today last candle was bullish, but we'll see. Once again. So daily, okay, it is in bearish side. it has started to reverse, but it has given a red candle again today. So in the long term it is in a range. Okay, so it might go till this, I guess. So it might go till this, at least till this we can keep. Okay, so 2735. Okay, it might not 200 points, it would move in one day. So we should see the ATR of this, that is how much movement it is giving every day. So we'll see that, and then I would enter. So ATR is not, you just see the ATR of this thing and we'll decide. Okay, so that's it. So today's gainer. Okay, sorry. So Hindalco is there. Okay, JSW Steel, Adani Ports. Okay, my stock holdings are there. Okay, so we'll see when to exit. So that's it for today and tomorrow. See you soon.